Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we are doing an unboxing and demonstration review of this OidoZac, I don't know how to say it, but this multifunction laminator. We're getting some kids' chore lists on the go, and thought, hey, let's laminate these bad boys. So let's open this up. Yeah, this just came in from Amazon. I wonder if there's like an item number there. There it is. It's very much upside down, but I suppose if I spin it around, you'll see it better. That's the number. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. This is reasonably highly rated. I think this was about $50. Let's get this guy out of here. Oh, there we go. Looks pretty snazzy. OidoZac? I don't know. Okay. Snazzy. We got some paper, some laminating sheets that it came with. Looks like a bunch of different sizes. And then we have, this is going to plug in. This is a new laminator tool, Hudzy.
What's a laminator?
It's going to make put paper in plastic, you know. So that's what we got so far, and we'll check it out and give you a heads up on how it works. Action.
Hi everybody. I'm doing a thing how you like cut things.
Cool.
So you put this under this.
Yeah. Slide out. You can lift it up if you need to make it easier. You can lift it up.
And
then how did you pick with this thing? Like, what does it say on the top?
It says
you
could do a line.
Show it to the camera. Okay, straight line. All right. So show us what that one does.
So you put it on here, and then
push down, hey?
Push.
And then slide it across.
And then slide it across.
And that cuts it.
Yeah.
Very nicely. Okay, nice straight line. That's
good.
So let's try a different one, hey? Maybe this guy. There's the squiggly line on him.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so you take a piece of paper, same thing, put it under, close it, and then
however you want.
Push.
And let's see what that line looks like. Whoa.
That looks weird, right?
Well, no, that's just a squiggly line. So you could give it kind of a cool design underneath your laminator.
The last line.
The last one. That we wasn't sure, but we tested it out, and it's the perforating edge. I'm not sure why you would want to do that with a laminator. I'm just not an expert laminator.
So you put it under here, same thing.
Yeah,
again.
okay.
Put this over here.
Yeah.
Put this in the middle, anywhere you want, and then put this on here.
I'll hold the paper too, yeah. Okay, go for it. Okay, then pull it out and show them what it looks like, and then you can just kind of, there, perforates it.
It doesn't break.
You can rip it nicely on that line. Okay, so those are the 3 cutters that come with it. We have these rings, which is cool, and it came with a hole punch too. You want to show us the hole punch? Yeah, practice on the hole punch. See what that does.
Oh wait, go through the other way.
No, oh yeah, you're right. Oh, sorry. All right, squeeze it. Did it punch a hole? Yeah, cool. So then you can make a little photo book and put these things, put it on rings or something.
I like
a few rings. This little container here, you press here to access all of your cutter things. I'm still haven't figured out quite what this thing is. This came with it. It's like, feels also like a hole punch, but not really sure what's going on there. Oh, anyway, so we haven't actually even laminated anything. So far, we've just been cutting. But those are the things that it comes with. Okay, we've just plugged it in, and we turned it to hot. And this thing has come on, and I think it's going to go green when it's ready. So we'll let you know when that happens. Okay, we're ready. So we went ahead with our paper that we want to
Hey, that's
do.
mine.
Yeah, I know. I used the cool cutter to make nice edges, see? And then I'm going to feed it through, though. Get ready. Because then maybe we'll use the cutter on the other side, too. So can you close the lid, dude? Flip it over. That's fine. You don't have to take that cutter thing out. So I think if I just feed this in, it's going to, like, take it, I guess. What happens? Does it just go in? Oh, it grabbed it. Okay, let's see. Here it goes.
What it does?
It's sucking it through. You have to, one of the things it says, I read somewhere, is you need to make sure you enter it. Wait till it comes out. Because this is a little pot, these sheets are little pockets, but you got to put the closed end through. Like this is the open end.
What it does?
It's making it into a laminated sheet. Ooh, it's coming out pretty nice actually.
Yeah, that's like really bad.
Check
it looks
it
like
out.
glare.
Well, it's got a glare there, but as it heats it, it becomes super clear. Wow, this is pretty nice. It's kind of gluing the two pieces together.
The trigger. What does mine look like?
Yours is over there.
It's hot.
It might be a little warm. Not really.
Put it there. So it comes out nicely. Why it comes so slow?
Okay, pull it out. It's done.
Whoa,
Amazing. I mean, we'll cut the edge. We'll do hers next. Okay, go for it. We're going to show how we can actually cut through the laminated edge too. Oh yeah. Did it work? Pull that bottom bit off. Pull it off. Oh yeah, there we go. Pull it over across. Oh, nice. So now we have like, I don't know how well that cut. Look at that cool edge, both on the paper and on the lamination.
I need scissors.
We'll finish it up. Okay, figured out what this is for. This is a corner rounder. So let's see if we can do this at the end, because the corner is pretty sharp actually on that one. So if I feed that in there on the edge, push it down, there's a nice rounded corner there. I mean, obviously it'd be more obviously rounded if I hadn't used this cutting edge, but it takes a lot of the. See how this one's pretty sharp. So we can round those corners with the corner rounder.